What's up, YouTube? DJ Joke, you're not supposed to be in this class. What? I'm DJ Joke. Yes, you're in first grade, and that class is across the screen. And nobody really listened to your rap video that you put out. What do you call yourself again? Afro M? To be honest, you're ruining my channel. Tell you what, as long as you leave my class, I'll take you to Disneyland. Is that a deal? Can I hug Chewbacca? Hey guys, so the first thing I did in this problem was, because it's a 3D shape and the faces could get kind of confusing, is I labeled each face. So up on the top here, that's the face we're trying to figure out the number for. So I labeled it T for top. The bottom one here is the BO. And then the front side facing sort of out of the screen is F. And then the back side here, I labeled it BA. Now the two sides is going to be your left and your R. The next thing I did was, as the hint suggested, because each number hits 3 of the faces, figure out the possible number combinations for each face. So I listed those out already. We will go over each of them. Now let's see what numbers from 1 through 6 could possibly fit on the top face. One special thing you can notice about the top face is that it is being shared by both the 12 and the 10. And that's actually the only face that is shared between both numbers. Now, what's also special about the other two faces is, if you look at the left side and the right side, although they are not touching each other, the rule of a die stating that the sum must equal 7, we know that a number that we pick here for the 12 side has to equal a sum of 7 on the right. So let's keep that in mind when we're going through each number. Now let's see if the number 1 could possibly go on the top face. So let's look at the top combination here. It has 6, 5, and 1, and 6, 3, and 1. Now, because 1 should be the only number that's being shared between 10 and 12, since we have a 6, this combination wouldn't work. Now, if we go down a row here, we have 5, 4, and 1 for the 10. But because there's a 5 here, the 1 is not going to work. Now let's take a look at the 2. So the middle row here for the 12 has a 2, and the bottom row, it looks like there's no repeat numbers there. So we got 2. Now remember that the opposite sides both need to add to 7. So the 4 and the 3 works out, but because we have a 6 and a 5, that wouldn't work out. So 2 would also not be at the top. Now let's take a look at the 3. On the bottom rows here for the 12 and the 10, it looks like the 5 is also being shared. So that combination wouldn't work. Now we have the top row here for the 10 and the bottom row. But similar to the 2, because of the sums not equaling 7, 3 would also not work. Now let's take a look at the 4. So this middle row right here and this middle row, we have the 4s. And then it looks like we have a 6 and the 1 to make it 7, and the 2 and the 5. So I think we have a winner here. So the 4 would go on the top. So I'm going to put the 4 right here. That means that the bottom surface has to be 3. And then your 6 on the 12 here is going to add to the 1 on the right. And then your back side is going to have the 2. And then the front side right here is going to have the 5. So for the 12, we have 4, 6, and 2. And for the 10, we have 4, 1, and 5. Comment below. Let me know how you guys did. As always, if you can hit the like, smash that subscribe button, and turn your notification bell on so you know exactly when I upload new videos. Stay tuned for the joke of the day, and I'll see you guys next time on Math Challenge. Thank you so much.